Hey, it's Derek with American Construction Supply. We're here with Sean from Minnich today, and we're going to go over their backpack concrete vibrator.
So what we have here is a lightweight chassis, only weighs 20.5 pounds, direct drive system with a quick disconnect that you can adapt Oztech vibrator shafts and heads to. Has a diaphragm in the engine. It's a GX50, so you can have this upside down and it will still work. That way when a contractor's been over and is trying to do something, it's not going to shut off on them.
And what about the remote throttle?
With the remote throttle here, we have the removable throttle, so you can pull it off of your strap and you can put it wherever you want, on your belt buckle, hold it, wherever it makes it more comfortable for you. Easy to use throttle and switch to turn it on and off.
So some of our clients, we're renting them forms on some big walls and stuff. Sean, how long of a width can you hook up to this concrete vibrator?
Typically we see lengths from 7 to 14. We do make a 10-foot width as well, but 10 and 14 is usually the width we use.
We just want to say thanks, Sean, for letting us stop in your booth here at the World of Concrete, and we really appreciate everything that you guys do. And if anybody needs one of these, come to American Construction Supply, and we've got these in stock and ready to go.